Funny cute cats playing with balloons. Cats playing with balloon. Max. My cat name is Max. You want to play? Funny. Play. It's so funny. And playing funny. So funny. Look, I do this color is gray. Balloon color is gray. My shirt color also is gray. My cat color is white. My cat playing with this balloon. This funny balloon. My cat is very good. Come here. Where are you going? I say just play here. Listen to me, cat. Okay, cat. My sweet, lovely cat playing with the balloon. Look. Play. This balloon is very good for cat. My lovely cat is playing with the balloons. Funny. Play. This balloon color is gray. Where are you going, my cat? Where are you going, my cat? Where are you going? Come on, play. Where are you going? Okay, my cat. I do. My lovely cat, my sweet cat is playing. Funny. Sweet, lovely cat. Where are you going? Look here. Cat, look this balloon. My cat, my lovely cat is playing with balloon. Not balloons, balloon. My lovely cat, my sweet cat is playing with the balloon. Funny balloon. Where are you going, my sweet cat? Just I am say, just play with the balloon. Play with the balloon. Don't play. This is toy. Don't play with toy. I say just play with two. Balloon. Come on, play. Play. My sweet cat, play. My sweet cat, play. My lovely. My cutie. My sweet cat is playing with balloon. Lovely cat is playing balloon. Play. You want to play with balloon? This balloon, this. This funny balloon, funny balloon. This funny balloon, funny balloon. And sweet lovely cat is playing funny balloon, funny balloon. Funny balloon, come on, play. Lovely. Play. Come on. Play these balloons.